Hello mga biyero, welcome sa Moxy Hotel here in Bangkok. Our first time here, that's why I'm super excited. This Moxy Hotel near the Pratona Mall, Central Mall, and the biggest supermarket, the Big C. Very convenient. Moxy Hotel located near CentralWorld, Big C supermarket, and Pratona Mall. How beautiful their room. It's a mirror with a mini refrigerator. Toilet room. Very modern toilet room. Of course with bidet. And then the sleeper here is not bring out. I will tour you to the bed. Exactly for 2 person. Big one size bedroom. The view of the window is Palladium, Novotel, and many things. The nearest transportation is Airport Link, Ratchaprasong Station, and the BTS train, Chitlom Station. In my left, CentralWorld, Big C. Right is Platinum and Palladium Novotel.